Quality will get trust. Sincere can win success. In this land of 5,000 years old Chinese civilization, Luoyang Tihot Railway Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is prospering by making efforts. Luoyang Tihot Railway Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was restructured from Machinery Manufacturing Division of CSR Luoyang, which was established on May 31, 2007. Tihot is a machinery and equipment manufacturing enterprise integrating casting, forging, welding, electrical product, railway equipment, and construction machinery equipment. The main products are machinery parts and steel bar processing equipment. There are about 1,000 employees currently. More than 180 of them are technical and management persons from various professional engineering. Company has over 920 sets of facilities for production and inspection, such as CNC, NC, CMM, metal analyzer, etc. in all kinds. Tihot has passed ISO 9001 Quality System Certificate and the qualification of EN 15085, welding of railway vehicles and components. Awarded as Henan Province Technology Center by Henan Provincial Committee of Development and Reform, Department of Finance, Local Taxation Bureau and Zhengzhou Customs in July 2008. Construction machinery products including high-efficient steel straightening cutting machine, NC bending machine, high-strength steel cutting machine, railway locomotive and rolling stock parts, which exported to America, Denmark, Italy and Mexico, etc. Much approval from customers home and abroad. Technology as the core, quality as fundamental, user-guide, market-oriented. Tihot has developed a large number of leading industry equipment successfully. GT Series high-efficient strengthening and cutting machine introduced foreign advanced technology, which can meet the performance of original import one fully in practice. With wide range of cutting diameter, high speed, high precision, the max speed is 130 meters per minute. Tolerance of linearity less than ±1 millimeter. Diameter range from 5 millimeters to 14 millimeters. They are suitable for cutting dish round and cold roll rib bar, hot roll rib steel bar, and new third-grade rib bar promoted by our country. Adopting PLC control has simple, reliable operation and keep for a long time in normal working conditions. On the basis of the air clutch shear type machine, Tihot researched more stable servo shear series and automatic scale series for rebar processing enterprises to switch sizes and specifications frequently. Small type of steel bar straightening machines are praised by domestic and foreign customers. Realize fast straightening and cutting from 3 mm to 7 mm. The precise precision can accord to the need of customers. The TW12 automatic bending machine is self-developed. Apply to bending and cutting HRB 335, HRB 400, and cold roll rib bar from 5.6 to 5.12 mm. Easy to operation and high efficiency. Process hundreds of shapes and no obvious damage after bending. With stable mechanical properties. This machine widely used in construction, reinforcement distribution departments, and steel plant stir-fry factories. The TGT-20A high-strength steel straightening machine is applied to steel dial from 512 to 520 mm, such as spring steel, stainless steel and alloy steel, etc. Well designed, easy to operate, highly automatic and operating efficiently. mainly used in building project, water conservancy and electric power project, concrete elements, mechanical industry, and so on. A first-class product quality to survive, advanced technology and management to promote development. On the journey of future development, Luoyang Tihot Railway Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited will make efforts to be better.